Hello traders, this is AJ Capital, and after I released my Holy Grail automated trading system, the feedback that I got from all of you, or at least almost all of you, were very positive and fantastic, and thank you all for that. However, we will always have that 2% of, I wouldn't say negative feedback, but I would say skeptical feedback, and it's your own right to be skeptical about whatever I claim right here. So in this video, I'm going to go over the top 3 questions that you guys, or those 2 guys, asked me and kept asking me over and over. And the first one is the drawdown, and the argument was like that. Hey AJ, it's okay if you make 1000% return in the Holy Grail trading system every day, but if your drawdown is 123%, then it wouldn't make sense, right? So here's my answer to that. First of all, you cannot have a drawdown beyond 100, because my friend, once you reach a drawdown of 100%, then that's it. It's game over and your account is wiped out, my friend. So the drawdown cannot go beyond 100. That's the first thing. The second thing is you can control your own drawdown according to what you are comfortable to go through. Because when we design our trading systems right here in Pro Trading University, we do it professionally. We don't simply randomly choose a position size and risk management settings and we go with that. No, we do our own due diligence and research, and real quick, we look at the historical performance of any trading system that we will trade in the last 20 years, and we look at the worst case scenario that happened, the maximum drawdown in the last 20 years, and we multiply that by 2 or 3, and we prepare to go 3 times the maximum historical drawdown in the last 20 years, and we prepare for that going into the future. And that is what I mean. We can predict what would the maximum drawdown that we will have in our account, and we prepare for it. And that is why in my own trading account right here, I wanted to trade aggressively with maxed risk, and that's why my risk management settings and my position size, I adjusted them that we can go through maximum drawdowns like 60%. And if you are not comfortable with that, if you don't want to go through a 60% drawdown, then you can simply dial down the risk. That's it. If you use the third of my risk right here, so instead of making 300% in 5 weeks, you will end up making 100% in 5 weeks with a 20% maximum drawdown. If you are not comfortable with 20% drawdown, you want it to be 10%, then just divide that by 2 again, and your maximum drawdown will be 10%, and you will be making 50% return in the last 5 weeks. It is like that. So the drawdown is controllable. If you want to trade as aggressive as I am, then you will have the same drawdown as I am and the same return as I am. So it's up to you, and I'm going to share with you what risk management settings you might want to choose depending on how aggressive you want to go. But you will never wipe out the account, because there are settings that you can wipe out the account with, and I'm going to tell you what is the limit. So if you go beyond this limit, then wiping out the account will be a possibility, because in the last 20 years, trading with these settings, we wiped out the account. So that's the idea of it. So that is the first question. Now the second question, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, the trading frequency. The last time we did this event, which was 1 month ago, in the first week of the event, I gave everyone the Holy Grail system in the event like I promised for free. And unfortunately, in the first week of the event, we didn't have any trades triggered in the Holy Grail. And that is because the Holy Grail trading behavior, when it trades, it really trades. It opens a lot of trades in a short amount of time. However, on the other hand, it can go for a period of 2 weeks, 3 weeks max with no trades. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let me zoom in right here. And I'm going to go to the historical trade. So this is the open trades. Actually, right now we don't have any open trades right here anyway. And this is the historical trades. And I want you to put your attention in the open date of the trades. So we have trades that triggered on September 1 and September 2, which was yesterday and the day before that. And then if we go to page 2 right here, we have trades in August 31st and August 28th. Then we go to page 3, all of them August 31st and 28th as well. So we had a lot of trades right here triggered in a period of 4 days only. But when we go to page 4 right here, the trade that triggered on August 28th, the first one is this right here. And the trade before that triggered on August 17th. So that's about 11 days with no trades. And the same thing happened again. So we had 5 trades triggered on August 17th, and then the trade before that was really right here, triggered on August or in July. Well, actually, it's this one right here. It triggered on August 3. So from August 3 to August 17, we had no trades. We went about 10 days or 11, 12 days with no trades at all. And we can go through a period of 2 weeks right now, starting today with no trades. Who knows? I hope we don't. But this is the behavior of the Holy Grail. That's why we have a very high winning percentage, almost 100, should be really 100%, because it only trades when we have an edge and we know that the market is going to reverse or it's going to continue to that direction. We only trade in these times, and most of the time the markets are in chaos, in random movements, but there's only a limited period of window where we can predict the next move of the market with a 100% accuracy. That's why we don't trade often, but when we trade, we really hammer it down. And now the third question, so let me zoom back out right here. Now the third question, which is actually the most common, is why aren't you trading the Holy Grail yourself? If it really do what you claim it does, and it's really making a lot of money and having a 100% winning percentage, then why aren't you trading it yourself? And the answer for that is simply, I am trading it myself with my own real money. Don't you see the proof right here? And the other day I opened my actual MT4 accounts in front of you live, and I will do that again in the upcoming event, where you will see how much I'm trading with and the returns I'm making live in my MT4 and in my verified track record right here in my FX book. And guess what? Not only I am making money from it, but everyone else who got the Holy Grail last month is making money with me right now as well, and that is a good feeling. The last month have been really a wonderful month for us, not only me but for all of my clients. And I want to give you one last chance to get this Holy Grail system for free. Why I'm giving it to you for free? I'm giving it to you for free because I know this is hard to believe, even if there's a third-party verified track record, and there's MT4. I showed you my MT4. It's still hard to believe because it's unheard of performance. I'm talking about if I go right here and I show you relatively the performance of the Holy Grail compared to my other trading systems that are crushing it, or then you will see that the Holy Grail is just shooting up straight vertical, and right now it's continuing to vertically shoot up. So that is why I am giving it to you for free. This might be hard to believe, but if you trade it in your own trading account and you see the performance happening in your own account live, and it's matching my performance that I will be having right here, then there will be no doubt at all, and you will be convinced. So that is the reason. If you want this trading system for free, then the last chance will be the upcoming event on September 6th and 7th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Attend live and we will give you a free copy of this trading system. That is the only way. If you attend live, you will get a copy. If you don't attend live, then you will not get a copy. So that's all for this video. If you have any more question, either positive or negative, just let me know in the comments and I might do another video, or if not, I'm going to answer them in the upcoming event live. So as always, plan your trade, train your plan, and click the link below, and I will see you in the event. Take care.